Hi guys, welcome to the video blog. Today we're going to be looking at what to consider when installing multi-room audio. When planning a real smart home, you should ask yourself in which rooms a music server zone is needed. We recommend to schedule speakers in the following rooms: living dining area, kitchen, bedrooms, bathrooms, study, patio. The construction of the Loxone speaker also allows it to be used in protected outdoor areas. The number of speakers depends on the room size and layout. In a room up to 15 meters squared, it is recommended to use one Loxone speaker in stereo mode. For a room size of 15 to 20 meters squared, we recommend planning 1 to 2 speakers. 20 meters squared to 45 meters squared, 2 to 4 speakers are used, and for any rooms above 45 meters squared, at least 4 speakers are recommended. The Loxone speakers are available in 2 different versions. One for installation in the ceiling, and one that can be mounted on a wall or placed on a shelf. Whichever speakers you're using, they should be positioned in the room so that your customers get the best stereo effect in the most frequently used listening position. For example, in the living room, if the sofa is the most commonly used listening position, consider mounting the speakers to give the best stereo effect when sat on the sofa. Bear in mind, ceiling speakers must be installed at least 50 centimeters from the wall. The right speaker cable is required to allow your customers to enjoy the full sound spectrum. We recommend using speaker cable with a cross-section of 1.5mm squared, up to cable lengths of 20 meters. If the distance between amplifier and loudspeaker exceeds 20 meters, speaker cable with 2.5mm squared core is recommended. It is essential to install speakers into back boxes to optimize the sound. This also limits the loss of sound into ceilings or neighboring rooms. The Loxone music server is available with 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20 zones. The music server is connected to the 12-channel amplifier with the supplied RCA phono cables. This results in the following connection options. A Loxone speaker in stereo mode. 2 speaker cables are connected to one Loxone speaker. Flick the switch on the back of the speaker to stereo and connect both speaker cables for the left and right channels. From a room size of more than 20 meters squared, we recommend using 2 speakers. To do this, connect the cable for the left channel to one speaker and the cable for the right channel to the other speaker. Then, flick the switch on the back of both speakers to mono. To create perfect sound in a room larger than 45 meters squared, we recommend using at least 4 speakers. Each speaker is switched to mono on the rear panel and connected with a speaker cable. The RCA cable is connected from the music server zone to the bus 1 input on the amplifier. Now change both channels on the amplifier to bus 1. So there it is. If you need to find out any more information, head over to the website or check out the multimedia blogs. We'll see you next time.